Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to see your Facebook password on your cell phones. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, give us likes. Let's get started. In order for us to see the password from Facebook, the first way is to go to the settings. Now I show you on iPhone. In the second way, I will show you how to do on Android. Next we open here the Passwords tab. Necessarily here must pass Face ID or code password. Then in the search box we write with you the password from our Facebook. And here we find Facebook and 3 phone numbers. Let's click on the first one. And we see this phone number. And we see this password. If we click on it, we can see it. We click on it, click copy. And after that, we can log in to our Facebook. We don't have to reset the password. The second way you can do it is to go to Safari, or you can go to any search browser. Then open the Google tab. In the upper right corner, click on your profile. Manage your Google account. Scroll to the side and click on Security. Here we scroll down and open the Password Manager tab. Here we see all the passwords we've ever saved. And if we find Facebook here, we click on it. Next, we have to enter the password for our even-numbered account, Gmail. This method works on both Android and iPhone. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you all very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.